So the first thing we need to do is click on the Your Features menu option. This lists all of the features available in the app. And then if we select the estimating, click on that. Once again, the wizard will explain the commercial benefits of using this feature. And to enable the feature, we just click on this here. As soon as we click on it, a number of tabs appear across the top, and this is to help you quickly configure the feature. So the first one we'll look at is company. If you've already input your company details, they'll pop up here, and this is just another opportunity for you to refine that information. And it also explains where the information will appear on the estimate. So you've got your address, and you've also got the ability to upload your company logo. The next thing we'll look at are the terms and conditions. So you can insert some notes that will appear on every estimate, and you can also input some terms and conditions. So typically this would state how long the estimate is valid for, normally 30 days from the date of the estimate. On the email, this is the default format or content of the email that will accompany the estimate if you use our product to send the estimate out on your behalf. So it's got some variables. For example, it'll have the contact name, who you're sending the estimate to, then it'll have the word estimate, and then it'll have the sales proposal description. That's the description of the estimate. So that will appear in the subject line, and then it's got Dear, the contact name, and then it's got some text, and you can edit this text. And finally, it's got Yours sincerely, your company name, anything in a square bracket. So it picks up all of your details, your address, your company name, and so on. When you send out an estimate, you do have the option to tailor the content and tailor this text and personalize it each time you send it out. As with all the features, there's also a training tab, and you can actually play this video and learn more about how the feature actually works. So that's how you enable the feature, and if I click on save, then the estimates appear on the menu. I'm now ready to do an estimate, which is something we'll cover in another video.